Here we will observe the lion's mane farming in very low-tech farm, and from the day one of the fruiting stage until harvesting. This is ultrasonic humidifier. ये ultrasonic humidifier है जिसका इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है to maintain the adequate humidity. ये starting है. This is the starting of the pinhead. This is after 1 or 2 days the pinheads are growing. This journey is of around 7 days from here until we will see
of
our
lion's
final
mane mushroom.
harvesting.
The tooth-shaped pinheads of a upcoming lion's mane mushroom flush. These are the pinheads of lion's mane mushroom. ये lion's mane mushroom के pinheads है. ये लंबे लंबे जो टूथ शेप के ये सभी जो है लायंस मेन के पिनहेड्स हैं. लायंस मेन के पिनहेड्स प्रॉपर ह्यूमिडिटी और बिलो एवरेज टेम्परेचर थोड़ा बहुत मेंटेन होने से ही इजीली आने लग जाते हैं. ये ऊपर से कट किया गया है तो ऊपर से आ रहे हैं. ये ऊपर से कट किया गया है. यहाँ देखिए पिनहेड्स आ रहे हैं अंदर की तरफ. यहाँ से बहुत सारे पिनहेड्स आ रहे हैं. ये 2-3 दिन में ही बहुत बड़े हो जाएंगे, लार्ज क्लस्टर्स हो जाएंगे. फिर हम इसको हार्वेस्ट कर लेंगे. ये जो लायंस मेन का फार्म है ये ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत हाईटेक फार्म बनाया है. बहुत सिंपल लायंस मेन का ये फार्म है. जैसे सिंपल हम यहाँ ओस्टर मशरूम उगा रहे हैं तो बाजू में हम लायंस मेन भी कर रहे हैं. ये देखिए सिंपल नीचे मिट्टी है और ये ग्रीन एग्रो शेड नेट है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने एसी लगा दिया बहुत बड़ा हाईटेक या समथिंग. द ट्रिक इज you maintain the proper temperature, air circulation and the humidity.
This is again after 1 day. When the farming is being done here, the normal temperature during daytime touches around 30-31, and during night it comes like around 24 degree, 23 degree. Here we are not spraying any water, just using our humidifier during daytime. The red spots, you can see the mushrooms are somewhere becoming red. This is due to the excess accumulation of moisture in those fruitings. We can see mushrooms are growing very rapidly. The substrate is simple hardwood sawdust mixed with wheat bran. These are the shootings I am doing after every 1 or 2 days interval, so that you can observe the noticeable change in the mushroom bodies. Again the next day, again the next day. Images during daytime. video again after a day. Fruiting bodies are developing quite well, but turning a little reddish, but it's not a problem for me. We do like it becoming a little bit reddish, but if you completely not prefer and want it completely white, then better keep it little away from the humidifier. These mushroom fruiting blocks are made only for training purpose and home growing. Otherwise, if you make bigger bags, you will grow bigger fruiting bodies, larger clusters. So it's not for commercial, just for tissue culture cultivation, which we keep on cultivating. You can learn from it. They are growing lovely. Alongside, oyster mushrooms have also started coming up. Nice shape is forming now. It's around 6th day from the first day. It's again the next day. We need it for tissue, hence we will not wait until it becomes more mature. We will harvest it soon. These mushrooms are amazing, soft to touch, really very plumpy, and they doesn't attract any fly or insect easily, and quite resistant. If you can complete the incubation stage successfully, fruiting will definitely come up. All you need is proper moisture, humidity. Climate is important, otherwise the pinheads will dry out. You can see now they seem ready. This is how we have kept our humidifier, ultrasonic humidifier during daytime. I run it for around 7, 8 or 10 hours a day, depending upon the humidity. At night, due to fog, the humidity maintains naturally, hence we switch off those machines. As you see, the red portion is not a good sign because it must have absorbed more water, hence it is turning yellowish, and this portion was kept free from any excess moisture, and it remained white. This is how you harvest. Just gently touch it from the base and twist it. Ensure that it is completely plucked out from the base. The stem has been taken out. Little bit of wood also comes. Here you have to clean this portion completely. Any excess dried out pinheads you can just remove, so that no infection spreads from them. Also, cleaning the mushrooms completely ensures that next flushing starts soon. Okay. Now we will harvest this block. Just gently twist it. When you are twisting it, ensure that it completely comes out from the base. They feel soft and delicate. Just put it in a poly bag or any place where you feel safe to be kept without harming them. Don't let them fall on soil or any particle because they will otherwise absorb them. Just hold them. If the large block is there, hold it with 2 hands and just rip it off from the base. This is a nice big cluster. If I had waited few more days, it would have grown even bigger, but I want it of this medium size right now. I am ensuring all the mycelium and footing bodies from the base side is plucked thoroughly. It ensures that again the mushroom starts coming from those areas. Clean thoroughly if there are any mushroom particles left. Again harvesting another fruiting body. Just we have to gently twist it from the base and it will come out. Once the harvesting is complete, in this stage all you need to do is again maintain proper humidity, air circulation and proper observation. Just you will again soon notice new flushings will start appearing. Also you can make few more cuts in the blocks so that it may appear from the new sites as well.